The warm waters around Southeast Australia are full of incredible sea creatures. And a tiny octopus is among the most dangerous. The blue-ringed octopus is armed with deadly venom. Its ability to change color advertises its strengths and help it hide. But the hunter has become the hunted. We unravel the secrets of this remarkable animal and discover how it's even changed its behavior to evade a deadly enemy. It's December in Australia and the start of summer. Nelson Bay is a popular destination for sunseekers. But signs on the beach warn of dangers close to shore. The shallows are home to a small but deadly creature. The blue-ringed octopus. It's bright, beautiful, and barely 8 centimeters wide. And its poison is stronger than cyanide. There are more than 10 types of blue-ringed octopus in Australian waters, but much of their lives are a mystery. It's thought there is a higher number off the southeast coast, and one man wants to find out more. Dr. Julian Finn is a marine biologist and closely studies blue-ringed octopus. Gradually, he is unraveling their secrets.
Blue-ring octopuses are extremely dangerous. They possess a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin in their salivary glands and body tissues. Humans are really susceptible to this toxin, and the bite of the blue-ring octopus has led to many human deaths.
Despite their bright coloring, finding blue-ringed octopus isn't easy. The warm waters close to shore teem with life. A school of old wife fish patrol the sea around the pier. Their dorsal fins are laced with venom. A tasseled anglerfish appears. It's disguised as a venomous long-spined porcupine fish to help protect it from predators. The Maori octopus is the largest octopus found near Australia. Its arms can stretch out to 1.5 meters. Camouflaged among the rocks, it uses its tentacles to catch crabs and other prey. Not everything on the seabed is what it seems. One piece of weed seems to be floating. It's actually a fish. A pygmy leather jacket is in disguise. Some fish are even more heavily camouflaged. Eyes watch and a mouth hangs open. A frogfish lies in wait. For creatures living in open sea, there are few places to hide. A good disguise is vital. Even giants need to blend in. The giant cuttlefish is more than a meter long. Crinkling its skin and changing color, it disappears against the seaweed. Just as quickly, it changes again. This time to match the sand. Suddenly, Julian sees what he's looking for. It's barely the size of a golf ball, but its dazzling colors are a dead giveaway. It's a blue-ringed octopus. As its skin throbs, it becomes even brighter. When resting, the blue-ringed octopus is a grey or beige color, but when it's agitated, up to 60 bright blue rings appear and pulsate as a warning. As the tiny octopus creeps away, it camouflages itself to blend in with the seabed. And it's not the only one here. Julian is being watched. It's another blue-ringed octopus. There's another one hiding nearby too. This one hardly looks like an octopus at all. It's perfectly disguised as a piece of seaweed. Meanwhile, another on the seabed is in full display mode. As it swims away, it doesn't camouflage itself. This is why. A false brill is within striking distance. To many small octopuses, it's lethal, as this footage shows. A mimic octopus falls prey to a lightning attack. But the blue-ringed octopus has a fighting chance. It displays its full threat coloring. And the false brill hesitates, just long enough for the octopus to escape. Having evaded attack, the octopus swims away. Suddenly, it changes tactics. It crawls along the seabed, arms pressed tightly against its body. It's disguising itself as a hermit crab. It curls its body into a shell-like shape and scuttles. It's one way of evading its enemies. But it also fools its prey. A red rock crab watches the disguised octopus. But instead of fleeing, the octopus moves closer. Suddenly, it attacks. The red rock crab escapes. So the octopus sets its sights on a smaller target. The crab fights back, but the octopus makes a killer move. It injects the crab with poison. Colonies of bacteria inside the octopus's salivary glands produce a deadly toxin that can paralyze and kill an adult human in a matter of minutes. The crab has no chance. The octopus injects the venom through the softest part of the crab, its stomach. The crab is paralyzed almost instantly. The blue-ringed octopus's attack was swift and deadly. And what makes it even more fascinating to Julian is that it happened in daylight. Most species of octopus and squid are nocturnal. Julian wants to see if blue-ringed octopuses are active after dark too. The sea at night is a different world. A lion's mane jellyfish drifts by, trailing long, venomous tentacles. And down on the seabed, a sea squirt stirs. Sea squirt don't usually move, but this one is being taken for a ride. by a sponge crab. The crab is using the sea squirt for cover, but that might be a mistake. It's not going anywhere quickly wearing this disguise. Southern calamari squid arrive from open sea to hunt small fish. Squid catch their prey using two special tentacles. They then grind their catch into smaller pieces with their beak-like mouths. They rarely miss the target. A striped pajama squid is nestled on the seabed. It's the perfect place to grab passing fish. And when it's finished feeding, it can disappear into the sand. A keeled octopus, meanwhile, chases its prey. The crab has no chance of escape. But a southern sand octopus is smaller. Now a crab has the upper hand. But the octopus has an ingenious method of escape. It softens the sand by pumping seawater into it and disappears. Next to arrive is one of the underwater world's deadliest nocturnal hunters. A giant cuttlefish is looking for food. And crab is one of its favorites. It strikes in a flash. A large shrimp vanishes next. Suddenly, the cuttlefish starts to quiver. It's a strange, hypnotic dance. Until it swoops. Fluttering its arms was just a ruse to confuse the crab. Julian sees many different species of squid and octopus busy hunting after dark. But this blue-ringed octopus isn't one of them. It stays still, hiding among the rocks. Julian doesn't see any blue-ringed octopus hunting that night. The small, deadly octopus seemed to be scared of the dark. Next day, Julian's research continues. A blue-ringed octopus is back on the move. And it's being watched by some mourning cuttlefish. Sensing danger, the octopus displays its brightest warning colors. But they don't work. The cuttlefish doesn't attack a second time, and the octopus survives. But the cuttlefish seems unaffected by the octopus's poison. For Julian, it's a revelation. He recently obtained a photo which appears to show a cuttlefish eating a blue-ringed octopus. And that amazes him.
I felt that the blue-ring octopus was the most powerful animal in the marine environment. Armed with a deadly venom, no other animal could harm it. Now with the discovery of a predator that is an efficient hunter and apparently immune to the octopus's venom, the situation no longer seems so one-sided.
Julian thinks blue-ringed octopus may hide at night to avoid cuttlefish. Now he wants to discover if, as the photo suggests, cuttlefish actually prey on them. The seas around Australia are home to the greatest numbers of squid and octopus in the world. Like the day octopus, which can reach up to 1 meter wide. It blends in perfectly with the coral reef. A drop arm octopus disguises itself as seaweed and races along the seabed using just 3 of its 8 arms. It's just one example of how these remarkable creatures have adapted over millions of years. Octopus and squid evolved from the chambered nautilus, a living fossil still found in deep seas today. 500 million years ago, they lived in shallow waters. But 400 million years ago, a relative of the shark emerged, and chambered nautilus were under attack. To escape danger, they sought deeper water. But some evolved, changed their shape, and stayed in shallow seas. These are thought to be the cuttlefish's ancestors. Inside cuttlefish is evidence of this evolutionary change. Cuttlebone. It's composed of a mass of tiny chambers full of air that enable the cuttlefish to float. The chambered nautilus has similar chambers in its shell that protect it and also help it float. Cuttlefish integrated the shell into their body and developed the ability to change their color. The squid family evolved next. Spear squid have traces of chambered nautilus shell in their bodies too. Next, the octopuses arrived. There are no traces of chambered nautilus inside octopus. They developed other skills, like burying their bodies in the sand and shooting ink. There's even an octopus that can walk on land. A white striped octopus slithers between tidal pools. Sometimes it's the quickest way for it to escape danger. As different octopus evolved, blue ring octopuses developed their deadly venom. But reliance on one weapon comes at a cost. It can't bury itself in the sand as effectively as other species of octopus. And it can't swim as quickly or pump ink. The blue-ringed octopus pays a price for its venom, but it uses it to deadly effect. And it is an excellent mimic. Not many octopus can strike a pose like this. It's pretending to be seaweed. And it's a convincing disguise. A spider crab is camouflaged too. It stuck pieces of sponge onto its spiny shell. The octopus isn't fooled, but the crab's disguise still saves it. The sponges stuck on its shell prevented the octopus from injecting its venom. It finds another target, but this crab puts up a fight. Nothing seems to be going the octopus's way. Julian keeps watching as the octopus changes tactics. It creeps up on another crab. But rather than run away, it looks like the crab simply gives up. A recent study shows blue-ringed octopus sometimes pump venom into the water to immobilize prey. It's why the crab slows to a stop. Around 2 minutes after the crab comes into contact with the venom, it becomes powerless. For the octopus, it's an easy meal. Julian's understanding of the blue-ringed octopus's secrets grows every day. But there's one mystery he still wants to solve. Do cuttlefish actually prey on the tiny, toxic octopus? It's now January in Australia, the height of summer. Daytime temperatures climb to 40 degrees Celsius. And beneath the ocean surface, fish are busy breeding. A male filefish woos a female with an elaborate courtship dance. Two male mourning cuttlefish, meanwhile, eye the same female. As they start to fight, their colouring changes dramatically. The flashes of black threaten their opponent. The black and white stripes attract the female. Eventually, one of the males gives up. Another underwater courtship contest is settled. Julian, meanwhile, continues to scour the seabed. Camouflaged against the sand is a blue-ringed octopus, and it seems to be in a hurry. Julian stays close as the tiny octopus races away. It's a male, and it's looking for a mate. It's the blue-ringed octopus's breeding season too. Eventually, it settles and slowly climbs up an outcrop of coral. It's a good vantage point from which to spot a possible mate. Sure enough, in no time, another octopus appears. The male waits for the right moment and then makes his move. Suddenly, he lets go. He's made a big mistake. Blue-ringed octopus can easily get confused between males and females of their own kind. The octopus he's found is another male. They shuffle away from each other. The male that was pounced on starts wriggling frantically. It's a sign that he's panicking. The octopus that tried to mate is just as flustered. Eventually, he calms down and swims away. He hasn't given up his search for a mate. Another octopus comes into view. He makes his move again. And this time, he's found a female. The male places capsuled sperm into the female's body with one of his arms. She will fertilize the eggs inside her body, and soon the next generation of blue-ringed octopus will be born. The sea shimmers under the setting sun. Julian's research continues late into the night. He's found another blue-ringed octopus. It looks like it's searching for somewhere to hide among the coral. If it lives that long. The octopus continues its search. But the cuttlefish has seen it. In a split second, the octopus vanishes. And its venom doesn't seem to have any effect. The cuttlefish spits something out. A small piece of one of the octopus's arms sinks to the seabed. It's the evidence Julian needs.
I would have questioned whether a cuttlefish like this could eat a blue-ringed octopus, but I mean, this animal shows no hesitation in eating that octopus. I mean, the blue ring is showing its warning colorations, yet the cuttlefish just goes straight in there and eats it. So this animal is a natural predator of the blue-ringed octopus.
The tiny, toxic octopus isn't invincible. It seems blue-ringed octopus do avoid nighttime activity. They've changed their lifestyle to evade a deadly enemy. It's daybreak. A hungry crab plucks fish eggs from the rocks. But he's under attack from a triple fin blenny. It's the male's job to protect the eggs. It won't stop attacking until the crab stops eating. Eventually, the crab's had enough, but the blenny stays on guard. A pregnant female blue-ringed octopus is both mother and guard. Her eggs are attached to her body. Most octopus lay their eggs among the rocks and guard them, like this female common octopus. The blue-ringed octopus nurtures her eggs somewhere far more safe and secure. She carries around 300 grain-sized eggs everywhere she goes. Pregnant females often walk along the seabed. Walking washes the eggs with seawater and helps keep them oxygenated. While she's carrying eggs, the female doesn't eat as often. And when she's not walking, she hides. She will live like this for around 6 months, until the day her eggs hatch. For another expectant mother, that day has arrived. Tiny octopus, barely a centimetre big, flood the sea. From this moment on, they're on their own. Their tiny bodies already carry deadly venom, passed down from their mother. This will be the last act of their mother's life. As the last of her babies leaves her body, she dies. Julian's research draws to a close. But before he finishes, there's still time for some last surprises. On the seabed is another new arrival. A baby cuttlefish. It's barely 5 centimeters big and will rest here until night falls and it goes in search of food. And another baby comes out of hiding. It's a baby blue-ringed octopus. It's just a few weeks old, but its blue rings already shine brightly. With good reason. Nearby is a harlequin sand smelt. It watches the octopus closely. The baby octopus rushes for cover. But the fish stays curious. It keeps watching the young octopus, but it has no appetite to attack. The tiny octopus already relays a powerful warning. When it's around 6 months old, it will search for a mate. Until then, it swims into the unknown, its bright colors sending a deadly message to anyone watching. In the seas around Australia, the blue-ringed octopus has evolved a remarkable survival strategy. It's armed with toxic venom, but to avoid a deadly enemy, has changed its lifestyle from night to day. In this highly competitive underwater world, the tiny octopus survives thanks to its lethal weapon and its incredible ability to adapt.